everyone! Today, we're shaking up how we say goodbye. Stick around to find out more. Goodbye is great, but it's not the only way to part ways. Let's dive into some creative alternatives.
See you later. When you know you'll see them again soon, take care. To show you care.
Until next time, for when you're optimistic about meeting again. Catch you later. For a laid-back, casual vibe. Safe travels, or get there safe and sound. Perfect for someone who's heading out on a journey. And for our friends looking for something a little different. All the best, or so excited for you and your new journey. When someone is starting a new chapter, talk to you soon. If you plan to stay in touch. So long. A classic, yet underused. Cheers. Great for friends, especially in the UK. Later, alligator. For a fun, quirky goodbye. Got a favorite from our list? Or do you have your own cool way to say goodbye? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Learn English, Love English for more fun tips. Catch you later.